It is an honor and a privilege to introduce our troop information and education speaker for this morning. He is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Criminology from Cagayan de Oro College. He began his journey in the fire service on June 1, 1996 as Fire Officer 1 and started humbly as a nozzleman and fire truck driver. Through the years, he has gained valuable experiences and insights in the field of emergency response and fire prevention. His dedication and expertise were recognized in the year 2012 when he was awarded as the Best Fire Investigator of the Year. Further demonstrating his leadership and expertise, he was designated as the Municipal Fire Marshal of Sugbong Cogon and Magsaysay Fire Station, and currently holds the position of Municipal Fire Marshal, Hasaan Fire Station, Misamis Oriental. As a testament of perseverance and dedication to service, he was promoted to Fire Inspector on March 24, 2025. Our speaker rose through the ranks not by chance, but by consistently demonstrating excellence, integrity, and an unwavering commitment to fire service. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our Troop Information and Education Speaker, Fire Inspector Antonino E. Salugsugan. A round of applause, please.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for that introduction. My due respect to our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Tradio, sir. Good morning. Fire Superintendent Alan E. Cabot, sir, Assistant Regional Director for Administration. Fire Senior Superintendent Richie E. Babre, sir, Regional Chief of Staff. Division Chiefs, fellow officers, non-commissioned officers, fellow firefighters, NUPs, ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
It is my great pleasure to be here today to talk about my topic, financial management. This is about on how we manage our finances to share our opportunities, to secure our future, and to reduce possible stress due to lack of financial management. As defined, financial management is the process of planning, organizing, and monitoring our financial resources. It is also about extending a smart and thoughtful decision in expending money according to our priorities. In order to attain those objectives on how to defend our financial assets, the following 4 methods are highly recommended according to experts. First is budgeting. This is on how we track our income, control expenses, and prioritize savings in a simple, calculated manner according to expert. Big income due to high level of salary plus business income minus expenses such as controlling vices, control recreation activities equals big savings. Second, saving and investing. It is about discipline. Saving is like planting seeds. It requires patience and care. Investing, on the other hand, is nurturing that seeds to grow into a flourishing tree. The earlier we start saving and investing, the more time our money has grown. Consider the power of compound interest according to Albert Einstein, famously called it the eighth wonder of the world. It is not just about how much we save, but how long we let it grow. So from now on, especially the young people around, start saving your money and investing your vacant time. Third, making informed decision. In the world of financial management, knowledge is power. Educating ourselves about financial products, market trends, and economic indicators can empower us to make informed decisions. Attend workshops, read books, and even social media and seek advice from financial experts. Remember, the more we know, the better equipped we are to navigate the financial landscape. Fourth, but not the least, overcoming financial challenges. Remember that financial management is not always smooth sailing. It's always there, the unexpected expenses, incoming downturns, and personal challenges. But it depends on how we respond these challenges to fix our financial journey. Embrace setbacks as wearing opportunities. Develop a resilient mindset and don't hesitate to seek help when needed. In conclusion, mastering financial management is not just about crunching numbers. It is about creating a roadmap for our future by budgeting wisely and continuously educating ourselves, because we are the one who take control of our financial destiny. So from now on, let's take the first step, start budgeting, start saving, and start investing for our future. The journey may be challenging, but the reward are immeasurable. Let's embark on this journey together and ride the way for a financial secure and prosperous future. In addition, 11 months from now, I will be retiring in the BFP service. It took 30 years and 11 days. The only secret that I applied until today, why I exist in the BFP service, is the finances that until today, I truly love my profession as a firefighter through exemplary with dedication, and the peace management is just follow orders and instructions from higher command. I am sure our financial asset is secure. That's all. Good morning. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your insights about financial management. At this juncture, may I call in our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Trajo to award the Medalya ng Papuri to our speaker, to be assisted by our Regional Chief of Staff, Fire Senior Superintendent Richie E. Fabre. Citation reads, pursuant to the Bureau of Fire Protection 10 Program on Awards and Incentives for Service Excellence, this Medalya ng Papuri is hereby conferred to Fire Inspector Antonino E. Salugsugan, Officer in Charge, Hasaan Fire Station, for his insightful contribution and commendable performance as the Troop Information and Education Speaker during the traditional Monday flag raising ceremony held on July 21, 2025 at the BFP Regional Office 10. Such display of dedication and commitment served to inspire and motivate others, contributing to the achievement of the BFP's mandates and programs, thereby worthy of recognition and emulation. Given this 21st day of July 2025 at the Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10, Umamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City, signed Romel C. Trajo, Fire Chief Superintendent, BFP Regional Director.